Welcome to Aster Hotel and Residence Pattaya, a modern and stylish stay located in the heart of Central Pattaya, offering the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and relaxation. Located just minutes from Pattaya Beach, shopping malls, restaurants, and nightlife, Aster Hotel gives you easy access to everything the city has to offer, while still providing a peaceful place to relax. From the moment you arrive, the clean contemporary design and welcoming atmosphere make you feel right at home. The cozy outdoor pool offers a relaxing space to unwind with a modern resort-style atmosphere. Guests can stay active anytime with the hotel's fully equipped fitness center featuring modern workout equipment. The small sauna provides a quiet and refreshing escape, perfect for relaxing after a workout or a long day out. The hotel's modern and stylish restaurant space creates a welcoming atmosphere, complete with a refreshing welcome drink upon arrival. The rooms are spacious, modern, and fully equipped for both short and long stays, featuring comfortable bedding, kitchen amenities, and everything you need for a relaxing stay. Now, let's take a closer look at the room and explore all the details, from the cozy bedroom setup and modern kitchenette to the balcony view and spacious bathroom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.